Gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe with notifications on.
When a bank account, whenever. So I want to help you to bring dollars into your bank account. I want to help you to bring pounds in your bank account while you are in South Africa. I want to help you to earn in dollars. Are you getting my point? So you can have the benefits. You can be able to go out and travel and have fun and enjoy your life and so forth. You know how nice it is, guys, to be on a cruise ship. You know how nice it is to be on a cruise ship, guys? How nice to be, you see people who are traveling to a European cruise ship and say, but these people, they are lucky. Hey, what? There's nothing inside. There's no such. There's no lucky in life. You pull your socks. You fight for yourself to make sure you are going to be, to fight for your life to make sure you are successful. So I can help you. I can help you to start a company. I can help you to start a business. I can help you to do something for your life. Are you getting my point? I can help you travel. You can go to places like Paris, your Rome, your Barcelona, your Madrid, your Germany, all these cities you can travel, guys. You know how nice it is? Traveling those cities is so nice. You just buy one ticket. One ticket. The ticket is only cost about 9,000 rand. 9,000 rand is for 7 days, right? You take a flight from Johannesburg, right? Or you take a flight from Durban, or you take a flight from Cape Town. You fly from here to Dubai. Some of you have never seen Dubai. You see Dubai on TV. Such a beautiful city, guys. Such a beautiful city. I've been there. Nice place to be. You feel like as if you are a VIP. You know how it is nice things to be traveling. You are sitting on that 9 hours. You are flying on an Emirates A380 jumbo jet, double decker flight. You are sitting like this. They come to you and say, hello sir, would you like to have coffee, a tea, or a glass of wine, or you want a drink, or a juice? You know how nice it is. Pampara man, bophelo man, for only 9,000 rand. Some of you, you spend 9,000 rand within 1 month, within 3 days, 4 days, but you don't even know how you spend that money. Yeah? Do you know how many girlfriend Yamatomo? If you've got one girlfriend, second girlfriend, the third girlfriend, the fourth girlfriend, all of these girlfriends, they're showing you your money. This one, you'll have to make sure. You cannot have a girlfriend without spending money, Baba. Forget. You have to make sure each and every month you cop out something like plus minus 2,000 rand, right? On this other one, you have to make sure, and believe me, on a daily basis, bari kinyaga data. So I get data on a choice. Data you have to buy. Sorry guys, hey, I'm sweating. Navdeep, can you please have my towel there? Towel. Understand? So, kikupa data, data, you have to keep on buying that data. Remember, imagine you've got 4 girls. Eh? 4 girls. Eh? 4 girls. All of them are saying to you, you must buy me data. All 4 of them, they say, I need data. 4 girls. You know how much data you're going to spend? You know how much data you're going to spend? A month. It's a lot of money. That money, you're supposed to save it. We be a society, this money is for me. I'm going to help myself to make sure I can budget, or at this time around, I must be able to travel. Are you getting my point? I must be able to travel. Rona, we plan our travel in advance. We plan our travel in advance. We make sure we travel in advance. We don't wait for until, like now, you see, we booked our journey, for next year. We started in advance, and it's cheaper. West Point, there's a company called MSC Cruise Liner. You know, MSC cruises, you can pay a deposit. You pay something like 3,000 rand. If the cruise ticket is about 9,000 rand, you give them 3,000 rand. And they say to you, okay, you're booking for next year, you can book for next year June. Because remember now, the cruise ships only start arriving in South Africa, in Europe, May, June, July, August, September. They are there, right? It's summertime that side, right? Now, you can book now, you pay your 3,000 rand now, and they reserve your ticket, they reserve your room, you're sorted. And let me tell you something, guys. Once you pay the 3,000 rand, you've got until next year to pay. You can say this month I'm gonna throw 200 rand, I'm gonna throw 300 rand, or 500 rand, or I'm gonna throw 600 rand, or throw 1,000 rand, or it's up to you. 75 days before the departure, they tell you everything must be paid in advance. But they are very reasonable. You can always talk to them. Like now what I did last year. I traveled with my family. I booked my cruise ship. You must go down and check, scroll down and check all my cruise ships that I did, right? My recent cruise ship vacation that I had were in Europe, right? You pay and you get a chance to pay bit by bit. So I called them and said, guys, listen, I know the time has almost approached for me to pay the full amount, right? And they said to me, okay, what do you want to say? But because already they saw already, I paid the deposit. And there is money that I've already put in. They won't pressurize you. They tell you, okay, look, okay, it's fine. Are you going to pay? When are you going to pay? Tell them I'll pay maybe 15 days before the departure date. They give you that time frame. You can always pay the full amount. Maybe by then you'll be left with something like 4,000 rand or maybe 3,000 rand. You paid bit by bit. Imagine, guys, 100 rand per day. Sorry, 100 rand per month times 12 months is 1,200. Now imagine now if you're paying 300 per month, how much is it? How much is it? It's a lot of money. So that money you can combine it together. Then next year June you have a wonderful journey. Let me tell you something. What you get with your 9,000 rand cruise ticket? You get free jacuzzis in a cruise ship, swimming pools, malls, and you know, guys, the cruise ship is too big. It has got 19 floors. 19 floors from down to up. 19 floors. That thing is so huge. If some of you know Milne Park in Pretoria or Sandton City in Johannesburg or Mall of Africa in Johannesburg, let me tell you something. That Mall of Africa can fit 3 times in that cruise ship. The canal walk of yours in Cape Town, the canal walk can fit up to 4 times in that cruise ship. It is how big that thing is, guys. Inside there are some cruise ships where there is a golf course. You can play golf. There is 18 restaurants and 21 bars. Imagine, you've got casinos, you've got malls, you've got everything. Your job every day is to wake up and to be on your balcony looking at the sea. The cruise ship is sailing with you. It's so nice. It's sailing. Guys, you must go check my videos. Hey guys, now I'm trying my best. I'm not rich, but I'm trying my best. My life, I'm enjoying my life. You guys must do the same. I can help you. Like I said to you, contact me. I can help you to make this money. We can be partners, man. How wonderful it is to be. You see your bank account, you say David, whoever your surname is. You see USD currency. That bank card, USD currency. Matota, you are earning in dollars. Every month, the companies who you are working with, the clients, they are paying you like this in dollars, in pounds, in euros. Imagine. Now, when you are sitting at home now, you want to fight these foreigners and say, oh, these foreigners are taking our jobs. Hey, guys, stop fighting those people. You are wasting your time. Those people don't care about you. They make their living. They live a better life. Well, when you are sitting on that shack, you are sitting there complaining, waiting for the government. It's like you are waiting for a plane in a taxi rank. It will never come. Are you getting my point? It will never come. So guys, let us stand up, South Africans, let us stand up and start doing something for ourselves. That's what I'm saying. We can make South Africa better. We can be better. There's no one who was not born to be a business person. Stop the thing of saying, no, I was not born to be a business person. Some of us, business is not for us and stuff like that. Me too. I was not born to be a business person. But I pushed myself to be where I am. Luana, you can do that. So what's wrong with you guys? Eh? Guys, you know, let me tell you something. If you need a mentor. I'm a business development manager and a mentor. And I do mentorships. I do business mentorships. There's no, I'll mentor you. I'll help you to make money. I will show you corners where you can get these dollars. I'll show you corners where you can get these euros. As long as you are with me, I can help you to design a website very cheap. Are you getting my point? A website that will have a booking engine. A website that will bring you thousands of rands each and every month. Are you getting my point? You are not going to sit at home without you making 50,000 rand each and every month. It's impossible. As long as you are working and you know you can make money, trust me, you will make money. But listen to me. Online business does not need lazy people. If you've got time to go to the shebins and parties and stuff like that, then this is not for you. Forget it is not for you. Because you need to be behind the wheel. You need to be behind your laptop and sit each and every time checking your emails, making sure you're attending to your clients and all those type of things. That's what you need to do. And that's how you're going to make money. So guys, I will keep on sharing these things, you know. It's not too late. It's not too late. But you know, as time goes, I'll keep on sharing with you guys bit by bit, and I will take this from there. Guys, I love you. As South Africans, as Africans, we can be together. We can, you know, work together. We can, you know, work together as a team. We can be a team. We can be people that are going to look at ourselves and say, you know what, I'm going to be successful. Stop looking at yourself down and say, I was not born to be a business person. Stop it. You can make money. You can be successful. How? Matot. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching.